Yeah. Hey everyone, this is Jim Grazanzio from the Oracle Groundbreakers team, and we are here in Hyderabad, India, for the Sangam 19 conference. And I'm here with an old colleague of mine, actually, Mamta Gambhir. Mamta, welcome.
Thank you.
We actually met, I don't know how many years ago it is now, but I used to be on the Solaris team for about 11 years, and it was really interesting that I heard from several people that you guys were doing a talk here. So I wanted to grab you and so I sat. Yeah, I sat in on your session a little while ago. You were at the packet level, so you were slightly above my pay grade. But why don't we talk a little bit about what you guys actually spoke about?
Yeah, so we came here actually and pleasantly surprised by a number of people here. And we wanted to talk about Solaris inbuilt virtualization and networking capabilities, which makes Solaris pretty unique. Title of our session was Building Failsafe and Scalable Solutions with Solaris. And we wanted to show, how Solaris has been unique in these capabilities, which have been written from grounds up and very well suitable for Spark and x86 hardware. Some of the capabilities which are there, they actually make it very suitable for some of our customers, which are in financial or telecommunication or data centers, and they have been till date using Solaris. I have been loving it. They have been buying Spark hardware, asking for some of the features which are actually very useful for them in the cloud. We have been trying to support them by writing providing them inbuilt drivers, shipping with the 11.4 versions, and until date still trying to support them, going up from gigabit networks to the 100 gigabit, which makes it more suitable for cloud data centers. So in this presentation, we also talked a little bit about several deployment scenarios, how customers have been using it, and more actually useful also in wide range of Oracle products where Solaris is still used at the back end and makes it very suitable. You may not see it in the front end, but it's being used at back end and pretty suitable for several products like appliance, superclusters, and other products.
Interesting. Okay, so how long have you worked on Solaris now?
I've been here about 8 years now. Yeah.
I left Solaris in 2016 or so, at the end of 2016. So I've kind of lost track of where things are. Give me a quick summary of actually where Solaris is. What version are you guys on? What are some of the latest features?
Yeah, so we are right now at 11.4, and we have been shipping 11.4 SRU for some of the interesting features or a lot of bugs which were fixed, which were there in 11.3, and customers are currently transitioning to 11.4 and seem pretty happy with it because we did fix a lot of bugs, added some basic features which are more suitable for cloud, and there have been some improvements in the storage. Some of the statistics and other basic features were also added, and we'll continue to work on it for a little while, supporting our customers actually whatever issues they have. That's our goal right now. And in terms of, if they any kind of storage, networking products, they find any bugs, our goal will be to support them and ship 11.4 as it is right now or more suited for them.
One of the things that you're talking about in your session is virtualization. So I remember this stuff has been actually implemented years and years ago. What you also mentioned that you work a lot with partners. What are some of those interactions like?
Yeah, so I work very closely with quite a few partners actually because we have the networking devices and we work in collaboration with those partners in developing the software for those devices, which is firmware and also the drivers and the tools, several things. When we are shipping these solutions ready to use in Solaris, it does not come ready-made, so we have to make sure it works. It's working with them is to ensure that the tools they ship to us, the tools we work with them, are suitable for Solaris. There have been unique things in Solaris on Spark machines, which we need to, if you think about the bootable pre-boot code or other things, so we make sure as the products are being shipped from the partners, we actually make it's suitable for Solaris. There are other Spark partners. We work with them very closely also to ensure that if they have any issues, help them certify, get the things going for them, get the ball rolling for them. So working closely, advising them, or even working with them to ensure that. And some of the partners are where we get our products from, and then make it more suitable to work on Solaris.
Okay, cool. You also mentioned that you were working on a paper.
Yeah. So the paper was written actually by me and my colleague Thiru, who had also worked pretty hard on this paper, and then we plan to publish this paper as a part of the publication, which is there for I think AIOUG, and also we plan to publish the paper online in general. And paper describes again the same thing: the virtualization and networking capabilities, and some of the deployment scenarios, as well as the use cases, which will help user understand actually how to use Solaris and these capabilities.
Okay, and wondering if you have any impressions of this conference here. It's pretty big today. We're at the end of the day. It's just a couple more sessions, but it's already 7 o'clock, and there's another 2 sessions to go. I guess it's almost about 1,000 people or so here today. Any impressions from any of your conversations today?
Yeah. I think I was pleasantly surprised by the number of people I saw this morning here, and it's very hard to meet otherwise the Oracle people working on different kind of products. This is unique in a way that you actually get to learn about products from grounds up. It's not like only focus on a specific thing. What I really liked about this conference was that there were talks from diverse areas, be it AI, be it Exadata, or be it storage appliance, or talk about the database. So it was very informative, and I liked the variety of the sessions in this conference, which impressed me quite a bit.
All right, so what's up with you after this now?
Going for dinner. Long day. We had our presentation. Yeah, it's been interesting long day, and we had a good time and learned quite a bit. Very informative. And well-arranged conference.
Okay, well, Mamta, thank you very much for coming by. Is there anything else, any final thoughts on Solaris?
It's great. It's unique. Yeah, we'll continue to work on it and support our customers.
Sorry for the distraction, but there was something like, almost like, fireworks here behind us there. So cool. Well, thank you very much for coming by, and we'll talk to you guys soon with another session here from Hyderabad. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.